Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about arguably the most important seasonal shift in skincare, and that is transitioning into your summer skincare routine. Today we're going to do my AM routine that's updated. It's for the hot, sweaty summer weather, and Nate and I just got back from our anniversary trip and we did get a little pickled. We drank too much, we were in the sun a little too much. So my skin is feeling a little bit irritated, a little bit dehydrated, a little bit like there might be a few breakouts under the surface. So I'm gonna break it down, show you exactly what I do to really hydrate and support glowy, beautiful, no makeup summer skin, because the last thing we want to do in the summer is put a bunch of foundation on our face. So let's get into it. First things first, cleanser. I just got this new xoxo cleanser probably about a month and a half ago, and it is a Japanese brand. And the thing I love about Japanese beauty is that they have really strict requirements on ingredients. It's even stricter than the EU. So you pretty much know if they're selling in Japan and it's high quality, it's at a certain price point, that it's going to be non-toxic. This one definitely is, and it's so gentle while also cleansing the skin, which I really love. This formulation is a foaming formulation. You only need one pump. This is a huge 6.7 ounce container, so it's going to last you for such a long time. And really what it's aiming to do is help detoxify the impurities on the surface of your skin while also balancing the pH. So it's not going to dry you out. It's perfect for summer in that sense, and you can use it morning and night. One of the best skincare tips I can give you, especially in the summer, is to do a full 1 minute wash with upwards facial massage. You definitely want to do this in the summer because most of the time you're sweating throughout the night, and you want to make sure you get all of that sebum, sweat, debris from your pillow, dust mites from your pillow off of your skin before you're doing your hydrating and moisturizing and using all the actives that are going to help improve your skin health. Next, we're going to go into one of my hero products for the last few years, the January Labs Brightening Tonic. This is a toner that's going to really help cleanse your skin, help prevent against acne. It has really beautiful ingredients that are going to help soothe, support, but also get rid of some of that debris on the surface of your skin. It's all about the balance between chemical exfoliants and hydrators and moisturizers, especially when you're acne prone like I am. And lately I've been doing this without a cotton ball. I mean, I don't know exactly what my deal is. You can definitely waste product this way, but there's something about just slapping it onto your skin that feels really good and spa-like instead of the cotton. And I don't always feel like washing my reusable cotton pads, but if you're someone who wants cotton pads, I'm leaving the link in the description to the reusable washable cotton pads that I buy off Amazon. Also, make sure you go all the way down to your décolleté when you're doing these treatments, because that skin is thin as well, and it's important to make sure that face, neck, and chest all matches. Now I'm going to go in with Serum, the C drops. If you haven't watched my vitamin C roundup and review, you have to. This is by far the most active, beneficial, amazing one. I love it. It has CBD for calming as well for sensitive skin like mine. Also, vitamin C is just such a great summer ingredient. You're going to have more oxidative stress and sun exposure in the summer, so you really want to protect your skin, and that's what this product is going to do. After I had Mandy Mad, the skin goddess, on my Skin Love Instagram feature, I have been doing a lot more facial massage with every single step of my skincare routine, and really there's no extreme rhyme or reason or methodology, it's just lifting. So just making sure that you're massaging everything upwards, and I do that with both serums in my routine and sometimes even with SPF. And at night I've been doing a longer, more intensive facial massage and gua sha. So if you want to see that nighttime skincare routine and all of those details, definitely let me know in the comments below. Now I'm going in with this Lynnae Mineral Mist. It's just a really hydrating mist to seal in that beautiful vitamin C, just also give you that, I don't know, that just beautiful summer vibrant skin feel. I think a mist just hits differently in the summer. Also, you can use this midday. You can set your makeup with it. I like to carry a mini one in my bag just to always have a mist on hand. And if you have a man in your life that maybe you want them to start kind of incorporating some skincare, a mist is the way to go. Nate actually mists every day and loves it. Next product is the Circle Up Coffee Face Serum. I know this is serum and I just did serum and then a mist, and it seems a little out of order to do another serum, but this serum has some coffee oil in it. So I'm treating it a little bit more like a moisturizing serum slash oil instead of a moisturizer because it's lighter for the summer. And I tend to get a little bit oilier in the summer because I am hot and sweaty. So I wanted something that would hydrate my skin but also be a little bit lighter. The great thing about coffee for the surface of the skin is that it actually acts as a wonderful antioxidant. It helps fight free radicals and it's actually really, really beneficial. When you ingest coffee, it can be inflammatory and actually cause acne in those that are genetically prone. But topically, my skin absolutely loves it. And it smells really good like coffee without ingesting coffee. So it's a little hack if you're trying to quit coffee but still love the taste. Then I'm going to go in with some SPF 30 plus. I think this one's 35. Yes, this is the Versed Guards Up product. I did a brutally honest review of it and spoiler alert, I absolutely love it. I've been using it every day. It is the most cost-effective SPF I've found. I think it's what, like $23. You can get it at Target, you can get it online. This product goes on, you'll see it goes on really, really smooth. You don't see any white, which I love. It's so, so hard to find in a non-toxic sunscreen. And definitely watch the Brutally Honest review video if you want more information about how long SPF lasts on the skin, if 35 is enough, what SPF is right for you. Those are all really important things. Another important thing, again, face, neck, chest, back of your hands. Use that last little bit if you don't want age spots on your hands or you want to prevent them from getting worse. So that, last but not least, is Lippy. This is the Naturopathica Cherry Lip Butter. Oh, I absolutely love it. I'm just going to get a little closer and show you. So, it smells like heaven. I love the cherry scent. If you don't love cherry, it's not your vibe. But if you do, have to get after it. It's really important to hydrate your lips in the summer because they can get really dry, cracky, dehydrated, which makes them look smaller, makes you look a little older, and we want those juicy, healthy lips. But that's it. That is the summer refresh on my skincare. You can find all the links below. I have some discount codes below. Thank you so much for being here with me today. I love you so much. You're the absolute best. I hope that you found some value in this video. And of course, if you have any questions at all, I am so happy to help you. I am happy to answer them. I am doing this because I want you to have beautiful, healthy skin that you are proud of. And if I can help you get there, that's what I want to do. So do not hesitate to reach out to me. I hope you loves have a wonderful rest of the week, and I'll see you on the gram or on TikTok. I have been on a TikTok spree. So if you're into TikTok, I'm leaving my TikTok below. I've been dropping the info every single day, like nobody's business, but I will leave it at that.